We want to know how to add transfer records in Money Manager. So transfer records is mainly for recording that your money is being transferred from your account to another one of your account, which could be going from cash to card or from any online account to cash, etc. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it effectively. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Money Manager application. And we have also created some of the videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel. So make sure to watch it. So now, once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And here on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this plus icon. So something like that. And now here you should be seeing various options. So right beside experience, you should be seeing transfer, just something like that. And I won't say health factor transfer, just simply type in the amount that you are transferring. So I'm just going for 50 rupees for now, and you can just simply choose where you're transferring from. So I'm just going from cash to card, and then note anything that you like, and then click save. And once that is done, as you can see right here, your transfer record has been successfully added, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.